Hello everyone, I'm Sevinch from Kai Academy and today I'm going to talk about how to follow your industry on Instagram. Watching your industry's Instagram accounts can help you build your following in several ways. By doing so, you can benefit from the earlier work of your competitors and industry icons. First, if your business serves only local customers, look at your direct local competition. Then look more globally at bigger brands in the same industry to see the tactics they use. Following industry hashtags is also highly productive. Does your industry hold several large conferences a year? Conferences are usually associated with a hashtag, and savvy Instagram business accounts incorporate the conference hashtag in their posts, so consider searching for the hashtag to find other accounts to interact with. These accounts could be competitors or potential customers. If you're attending the event, search through the conference hashtag and follow accounts like photos, comment, and perhaps direct message other attendees to set in-person meetings with potential customers or business partners. One of the best ways to find new followers is by researching your competitors' Instagram accounts and interacting with their followers. If they are interested in your competitor's business, they might be interested in your offerings as well. And your competitors' follower lists are like a ready-made target audience waiting just for you. Engaging with your competitors' followers is easy. Here's how. At first, make a list of your top competitors and use the search function to find one of them on Instagram. And then go to your competitor's account and tap the number above followers at the top right of its profile page. Here the followers number is 2615. Sometimes brands repost user-generated content like this one by Maidon Terra and do the following for each follower account that looks interested from there. Tap the account and then like several photos and comment on at least one post and follow the account, and then repeat steps 3 and 4 for all the competitors in your list. Keep regularly engaging with these accounts and you might just win them over to following you or becoming a customer. Following big brands such as Target, Maybelline or Uplay provides unique ideas for content or promotions done in a fresh way, but it can also yield more followers for you. How? Some big brands repost user-generated content created by regular folks like you and us, from their customers, and when they do, that account can hit the jackpot on followers. To get noticed by a big brand, you need to follow some tips. At first, make a list of top brands that would mesh well with your brand. For example, if you sell virtual assistant services, you might make a list of various companies that sell planners, specialty pens, and desk accessories. And check whether the company reposts images from other users by scrolling through several months of posts. And some companies are strict about their brand and post only what has been designed by their design department, and if this is the case, cross them off the list. After you find a brand that does repost user-generated content, study the posts it shares from other accounts. Do they typically like flat lays photos where products are neatly arranged on a background and photographed from above, or photos with people, animals, or sports, a consistent filter? You might notice a pattern in what has been selected. Put your own flair on your content while making it fit the other account's style. And style your photo according to the instructions in step 3 and include the company's product with the brand label prominently displayed. So do not include other brands in the photo. And then add brand hashtags. Big brands often have a specific hashtag they associate with all their posts. For example, Coca-Cola uses hashtag #ShareACoke as its branded hashtag on Instagram posts. And if you're trying to get featured on at Coca-Cola, use the hashtag #ShareACoke hashtag along with other hashtags that relate to the soda brand, and mention the brand using its Instagram username in your written post. For instance, at Corey C. Walker used the hashtag made on Terra in a post where she used the brand's cupcake toppers in a photo, and she was then featured on the at Made on Terra Instagram page and was tagged back. Now, at Made on Terra followers might visit at Corey C. Walker's page to see what else she posts. And that's it. Okay, thanks for watching and have a great day.